Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day or a great night, depending on when they're watching this video. Today is January the 2nd. I hope you all, again, had a great New Year. I hope that the year of 2026 is wonderful to everyone. What I wanted to do was talk about my tracking because, well, this is something we need to do all the time. Not necessarily every day like I do, but at least set some time aside to track your expenses, and that's what I did. So on the 23rd, that's the day that I got paid. On the 24th, it was a no spend. And for these right here, I thought they were a no spend, but I'll show you in a minute. For the 27th, I ended up spending $8.79 for miscellaneous. And for the days that I put a line through, here are the transactions that came out for those days. So we have gas for $20.51 on the 28th. I went to Walmart, spent $20.91. I went to 3 different places and I just put them all together. $50.58. And where it says $7.32, you can just ignore that. And that was from the 25th, 26th, 27th, which I ended up being left with $98 on the 29th. That was an actual no spend. On the 30th, we just wanted McDonald's. And that's what we got, $22.87. I wanted to try some of those Grinch fries from McDonald's, and I got them. And I also paid for at first I asked for a McCrispy, and then I wanted a deluxe Mc, and I ended up paying for both. So I ate one, which was the deluxe, and saved the next one for the next day. I did try the Grinch fries, which the seasoning for the Grinch fries tastes really, really good on a chicken sandwich if you put it with mayonnaise and, kind of mix it up and all of that. I did put, my mom sent me her $31 back that she owed for the 31st. Went to Walmart, spent $17.96. I did get some Sudafed from the pharmacy. When I say my sinuses were a mess, y'all, they were a mess. But for today, I'm able to breathe better. My nose is clear of everything. So I think that was a good $7.66 altogether. That did equal up to $25. I should have $40.72, but when it comes to the cash, I do have some change, which I did not count. And I have $42 in change. Well, in dollar bills. So I'm going to count that just to make sure. So let me move my phone and flip the camera. So I got my wallet and I'm taking out all the dollars, making sure nothing important is showing. Let's go ahead and count. I also had to use, I'm ashy, y'all. That's crazy. Hold on. Okay, y'all, and we are back. I got the money out. I had to put on some lotion. Y'all, I was ashy, as you can see. Let's count. This poor dollar has had it, but it's going to get spent either way it go. So let's check. So we have 10, 20, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. So we have $42. I do get paid on the 7th. We'll see where this $42 takes us. I know for a fact that I need to go to Walmart, Aldi, anywhere. I just need a loaf of bread. Like, we got ground beef, can't make hamburgers because we need bread, which, I don't really have to have bread when it comes to a hamburger. I can have it breadless. I'm okay with that. But we do need bread. And I may get a bag of frozen chicken strips since all the other meats are frozen as well. But other than that, that's it. Also, y'all, I paid off Capital One. Yes, you heard it right. I paid off Capital One. I'll put a screenshot up there. I decided after looking at the balance, looking at what I had in savings and all of that, I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and do it. If we paid off Navy Federal, we can pay off Capital One. I did create a post on Instagram for my story. If you have not already seen it, I need to put this back in my wallet. Also, if you have not already grabbed the Blessed Ladies Part 2 collaboration, it is linked below. We are going the whole year again with saving money. And of course, we are tracking everything. And of course, if you, which I say and of course way too many times, here is the playlist tracker. If you run one of our playlists, we will return the favor to you. So I am so excited when it comes to this challenge. I want to see what's going to be left. That way I can add it for the month of January. I think I want to use one of my empty envelopes and just write the name on it. And at the end of each month, track what I had left to save. Or, better yet, I'll add it in for the 15th and the 30th and just go from there. So, I don't know how much I'll save this time. I am just saving any amount, so we'll see. I'm hoping it can be, $400, $500, but any amount is okay. Jasmine, why did you jump over there? And if you hear the dog in the background, she is currently in one of her moods where she kind of paced back and forth because she's looking for Travis. He just left. Now she wants to go in the living room and look out the window to see if he's outside, but he's not because he just left. But be able to still have this $42 left. Also, y'all, I did not know that the jeans for Navy Federal, the jeans for Old Navy, I did not know that they run big. So I have jeans size 20 because when I tried them on at the store, they fit perfect. Now I need a belt and the pants feel too big. I feel like I need a size 18, which is crazy. I haven't worn a size 18 in years. And when I say years, I do mean years. Like, I haven't. Also, remember I told you all about the coat that I bought? Well, me and my sister bought. Tell me why I put the coat on. The coat is like my arms grew overnight, so the coat isn't long enough when it comes to the arm area. Also, I don't know what I want to do. I may buy another coat, or I just may continue to wear it because I did pay for it, right? But we'll see about the coat. I'm not really worried. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Be on the lookout for a video talking about my goals and what I want to save and what I want to do with the car payment and all of that. The way that I found my word of the year is crazy. So I will explain what that is in that video as well. I think you all will get a kick out of it. I don't know. I've been dealing with AI a lot in regards to, finding things, coming up with plans, asking about templates and trackers and how much would I pay if I had this amount of that well, debt, and so on and so on. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to grab the challenge down below. It will always be linked. Again, Onyx, you did amazing with the characters. They look beautiful. Have a great day, y'all.